Welcome to the Excel VBA programming course. Microsoft Excel is everywhere, installed on over 750 million computers worldwide, with the majority of users only knowing how to set up basic tables or do a few simple formulas. In today's fast-paced, always on a deadline world, what you really need is a way to make Excel do your work for you. With the Excel VBA programming course, with this course you will learn how to make Excel do whatever you want, whenever you want. Automate data analysis tasks, create printable reports, design custom forms so that you can access, analyze, edit, or add new information quickly to your tables. Excel programming is done using VBA, which stands for Visual Basic for Applications, and can be used in almost all of Microsoft Office products, such as Excel, Word, PowerPoint, and Access, just to name a few. VBA is very easy and straightforward to use. VBA saves you time by automating tasks and processes with Excel. Now, this might sound like macros, but macros have their limits, and when you meet these limits, that is where VBA comes in and takes over. Once you understand VBA, you will unlock the real power of Excel. In this course, I will show you the easiest tricks to learn VBA in a fun and progressive method. Not only that, with each of my short info pack lectures, you will learn another essential skill that you can immediately take and use. So start working smarter, not harder. Start now with the Excel VBA programming course. Every day in Excel, we run into problems that we have already solved, but we have to repeat ourselves over and over again. In those situations, we should be using VBA macros to automate those processes. Are you always needing to create reports in Excel? Always under pressure to create and check these reports? Learn the secrets to create custom dynamic reports. Learn how to use VBA to complete your reports in seconds. Start now with the Excel VBA programming course.